Hey guys, so this is a video on clock faces that I have for my KOSPET Prime 2 watch. I go to the site. I saw the site. Wait, relax. I saw the site, and it's clockskins.us. So this is the site right here. The only thing I don't like is the site has tons of advertisements, but you scroll all the way to the top, and you can click. Top right there, the menu, you can go home, right? What's going on here? Or you can click, you go into digital, right? Or you can just go to analog or animated backgrounds, like that. And it's pretty easy to download these faces. Let's say I like this one right here. I'll click download, and you just have to wait. You can scroll down, read about it, tell you what's available. I like these clock faces because watch faces because a lot of them, the screen is touchable for to, like, if you touch the heart rate monitor, it'll go to that. And it gives you a good readout of what's interactive here. It gives you some pictures. So usually I'll scroll down here and you look for this download link right here. Click that. And then you gotta wait. It says right here, please wait for the link to be generated. So you wait that 10 seconds or whatever. And now you can click here to download. Click that. And it gives you the file size, 1 meg. And then I just click download. And then now it's downloaded. It goes to my download folder. I'll click open. I'll extract it. So that's the process. I go to my file browser, right? So I go to my downloads. There's the RR062. That's the zip file I just downloaded, which is that clock face. And I've already uncompressed it. So that's right here. Right? Now usually this folder I'll transfer over to my watch. And I use an app called Send Anywhere. This is a great program I use because it's totally wireless and it uses your home network, your Wi-Fi. As long as both devices, and it doesn't matter what platform, iOS, Android, as long as you're on the same network, you can transfer it. So you install it on both on both devices, and you basically go to files like this, and then go here. Then that was in the downloads, and right here RR62. So this, I'll click send. Now with my watch, I'll fire up the same app on there, and I'll click receive, and there's a QR scanner on there. So then I click that and see this barcode here. I'll scan that with the camera on the watch, and then bam, instantly transfers it onto the watch, and then I'll transfer that to the folder called ClockSkin. And after doing that, reboot, and then you can go through your settings and then check out the face that you just installed. Okay guys, so after installing a bunch of clock faces, just wanted to show which ones they are. As for the names, I don't know what the names are. I just installed them. So I like these faces because a lot of them are interactive. So if I click that, goes to the power. This starts your heart rate. Now these little ones I wish would work, but they don't work. At the top, that's nothing. This fires up the weather. So I have it on airplane mode right now, so that's not going to fire up. But there's that. There was this one too. So click that. That one fires up Google Maps. That's pretty cool. I think this fires up your contacts. This fires up your weather. Oh no, that's your brightness. This is your battery. So this one is pretty cool too. I like this one. This one, nothing is touchable, but still, at one glance, you've got all kinds of info. I like that. That's pretty cool. This one, it's animated. I don't think anything's touchable, but it's animated, so that's pretty cool. This one I like. Click that. Globe, GPS, power, your battery. This is your brightness. You click the sun. That's pretty slick. Steps goes to your heart rate. This is just a digital clock on the bottom. That's the branding. But that's pretty cool. But once again, I wish that would click your actual settings. I wish that would fire up your voice assistant. You know. But nothing else works. But still, it's better than nothing, right? This one, I don't think anything's touchable here. But it looks cool. This one I like too. Once again. Oh, maybe nothing's I just installed this one. Okay, nothing's touchable, but it gives you a lot of info. So, that's pretty cool. I think that's it. Yeah. So those are the only ones I've installed so far. So I'm still looking. Yeah, see nothing here. This is part of the store that they give you for watches, watch faces. But it's pretty cool. I like it. And there's a flip camera. Yeah, man, this thing is a beast. I love this watch. At first I thought, holy shit, this thing's huge. But I like it. Hope you like the video.